is a processor?
Processor. When I hear the word processor, you know, the processing of the cheese, for example, the processing of the tomatoes, the processing of the leaves, where they undergo metamorphosis, or should I say in the butterflies, right? Well, actually, it's not really to the expertise, no. But I think for me, processor, it is, you know, what you have seen is what you have learned. I mean, if you can get what I mean, the situation that's concurred into me. However, if this decodification had been mutilated into these tiny little bits of megabytes, I mean, I think it involves megabytes, right? Hello? Wait.
Wait, I have to go.
You know, in the biosphere of the biomass, in the utility of the situation, I mean, it's, wait, I'm getting nervous. It's, no, I mean, you know, it's like a square bread. No, I mean, if you can, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, OMG. Wait, I have to go to CR. I'll go to makeup, wait. Microprocessor. Alam ko ano yun, yung sa, yung sa control panel, di ba, yung, basta, yung sa, yung special cognition, kasi, di ba, napaprocess yun? Malit lang yung pag-process, kaya pang, basta yung sa control panel yun.
For you, what is a processor?
Processor? Processor? Ano nga ba talaga kasi yung processor na yan?
Ano ka mo, iya? Ano ba ang problema mo ulit?
Hindi ko po kasi alam kung ano yung processor eh.
Processor lang. Naang naman pala eh. Halika, samahan mo ko. Tuturo ko sa'yo. Joke, ikukwento ko.
The processor, or CPU, is the nerve center of the system. It is connected to the memory by a collection of wires called bus. The major parts of any microprocessor are 1. Control unit, 2. Registers, 3. Arithmetic and logic unit, and 4. Primary memory. Control unit directs the operation of all functional units. It fetches machine instructions from memory, decodes these instructions, and ensures that the operations are executed correctly. Registers make up the high-speed memory which are used to store temporary results and control certain information. The following are the registers: program counter, instruction register, processor status word, and working register. Program counter holds the address of the next instruction to be fetched for execution. Instruction register stores the current instruction while it is being decoded and executed. Processor status word, or PSW, registers the current state of the processor. The PSW contains bits which indicate whether the result of previous arithmetic operation is positive, negative, or 0. PSW may include the flag register. Flag registers also stores information regarding existence or overflow and carryover. Working registers hold temporarily data that helps addressing and computation process. It includes address registers, base and index, and the arithmetic registers. Base address register identifies the program top address. Index address register stores the result of address modifications. And last, arithmetic registers hold temporarily the operands and results of arithmetic operations. Cache memory, special memory area where the machine keeps a copy of that portion of main memory that will be needed soon or from time to time. Arithmetic and Logic Unit or ALU performs arithmetic, logical, and shifting operations. Primary memory. The memory unit, sometimes called main storage, is used to store instructions and data.
Input units. As the name implies, inputs are passed to a computer. It may include programs or data. Output units. Send the information inside and outside the computer so we can use it.
Program execution. The flow of program execution. Machine cycle of 3 steps. Fetch, decode, execute. Fetch. The control unit requests the main memory should be provided with the next instruction to be executed. Decode. The control unit places the instruction received from the memory in each instruction register and then increments the program counter so that counter contains the address of the next instruction. Execute. The performance of the required task by the correct circuitry.
CISC versus RISC architectures. Brookshire Glenn J. CISC, Complex Instruction Set Computer. Advantages. It is a complex machine that can decode and execute a wide variety of instructions, thus making it easier to program compared with simple machines. It can be used to accomplish a task that requires multiple instructions in simple machines. Disadvantage. It is harder and more expensive to manufacture. RISC, Reduced Instruction Set Computer. Compared to CISC, it is a simple machine that has a limited instruction set. It requires less amount to manufacture, requires longer instructions to accomplish a task. CISC versus RISC. CISC can encode multiple instruction sets, but expensive. Meanwhile, RISC can decode limited instruction sets, but cheaper. Examples: CISC, Pentium processor, developed by Intel Corporation. RISC, PowerPC, IBM, Motorola, developed by Apple Computer.
Pipelining. At a given time, several instructions are in the pipe, each at a different stage of being processed. In a particular, while one instruction is being executed, another instruction is being decoded, while still another is fetched. Pipelining technique improves throughput instead of speed. Throughput refers to the total amount of work the machine can accomplish in a given amount of time. Multiprocessor machines. They fall under the classification of parallel processing, in which more than one processing unit is applied to a task at a time is through artificial neural networks.
Design principles for modern computers. All common instructions are directly executed by hardware. Elimination of the level for interpretation. It makes high speed for most instructions. Only load and store instructions should be referred to the memory. Instructions should be easy to decode. The rate at which instructions are issued should be maximized. A unit for increase in rate in number of instructions per second is MIPS, which stands for millions of instructions per second.
Yun pala yung processor.